Affordable, low maintenance and newer construction is what you will find at the Grand Prairie Villas. This townhouse offers 1,300 square feet of living space all on one level with no steps. With an open living concept, this home has a living room with fireplace, attached dining that is open to the kitchen, all with hardwood flooring, 9 ceilings with crown moldings and wide base moldings. The kitchen has beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances and counter seating. Off the attached 2-car garage is the laundry/mud room. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath with walk-in shower. There is a guest bedroom/den and full bath, wonderful, screened porch that overlooks the common area at Grand Prairie, a great place for walks and other great features for you to enjoy.